to go super fast over there.
All right, go ahead. Good job, Aud. Now come back. Turn, turn, turn. Remember, push and pull, push and pull. There you go. Ooh, look at how fast you're going.
I'm kayaking and I'm in rainwater.
In flood water, yes. Sammy's still asleep? Well, hopefully he'll wake up soon. I think this water might be here for today. So maybe he could do it a little bit later, right? All right. Super duper deep. Went up to my waist in the deepest spot. Oh. Yeah. Most of it's about knee depth, right?
Yeah, it's that much.
It's that deep?
Right here.
You're touching the bottom?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. And you still have a life jacket on. Did Daddy tell you you need to wear that?
Yeah.
Yep, that's important. I wear mine all the time.
But it's so shallow.
Yep, that's okay. I'd rather have you be safe. And you're kayaking right next to your school. Where's your school?
That's my school.
That's your school, yeah.
Next 2 years?
Well, just over a year, yeah. Next year you'll be 5th grade.
That school.
Yeah.
My best friend Riley.
With your best friend Riley, yes. That's exciting. All right. Go on, paddle.
Let me just turn.
See you later, Aud. Say bye.